In this video, you'll find out what camera am I going to be switching to. Stay tuned. Yo, it's Arvin Concepcion. Welcome to GearedForYou, a segment on the channel that talks about camera gear and reviews camera gear so you can find out if it's a gear for you. Also, if you're interested in behind the scenes shoots, more gear videos, weekly vlogs, and even tips and tutorials on shooting, then you should hit that subscribe button for more videos of those from this channel. Okay, so first of all, I suggest that you watch this video up here to get the idea of what is happening in this video. So go over there, watch it, then come back. I'm leaving the Canon system, especially my SL1. I'm leaving this camera, the one that we're filming on, for vlogging. I bought a new camera for my production. So the camera I bought is known for video. It can take stills, but really known for video. It has a lot of video features to help me get better videos, and then it's super cheap. It's cheap to the point where I got to buy more stuff to add on to it. So yeah, I got a pretty good deal on that one. And so for the big reveal, the camera I bought is... That's right, I got the Panasonic Lumix G7, the most affordable 4K camera that delivers, and I'm super excited to unbox it and hold it in my hands. So let's go. Is that better? Does the image look better? Sorry. I just really noticed that it was super dark. Sorry about that. So we're gonna be going from the ones I'm least excited about to the most excited about. So the first one we're gonna open is the batteries. Generic box. Open it. So I bought 2 extra batteries from Betamax. So that's one. There's a second one. It talks away. With the dual charger. Okay, so we have the cable, the USB cable, so I can, charge. So I can charge the batteries via power brick. So when I'm on the go, I can still charge. Go get these batteries out. First battery. Second battery. So they go like this. Yeah, that's it. Moving on to the lens. So I got a prime lens, and you always need a prime lens. And since my Tamron 35mm got stolen, I bought a new one. I bought the Panasonic Lumix 25mm f1.7, and this is equal to like a 50mm equivalent on a full frame, since Micro Four Thirds has like a 2x crop. So I basically have a 50 f1.7. So let's go unbox it. We're greeted with a lens hood. Then we are greeted with lens. Okay, so here's the lens. Oh my gosh, dude, the focus ring is super smooth. It's kind of like my Tamron 35mm. It's super small, really small. It's like the Canon 50mm. Woo. Super clear. Panasonic 25mm. I have a 50 now, guys. I'm super happy right now. It is main event time. We're gonna be diving down into our main dish, which is the Panasonic Lumix G7. Okay, so this is the box. This is the biggest box that I received. So I like how they didn't involve plastic wrappings and stuff, because I would have to get my knife. So we open it. We are greeted with, what is this? Okay, this is the manuals that you want to keep but never use. Okay, so what is this? This is the lens hood, but we don't want to see the lens yet. We want to start from bottom to top. We are greeted with another USB cable. Here's the battery, and here is the charger. Moving on to the lens. Let's unwrap the lens. So I bought the Panasonic Lumix G7 with its kit lens because I needed a wide angle lens for landscape stuff. So yeah, this is the 14 to 42mm f3.5 to 5.6 right here. Again, super small lens. It's a zoom lens, super versatile. This is kit lens. So in total, I have 2 lenses, a prime and a zoom lens. I have 2 chargers and 3 batteries, 2 USB cables, and 1 camera. So let's go take this out. Oh my god. This box away. Okay, it's a big reveal. I've held a G7 in my hands before. I've used my friend Chobi's G7, but It's super different because I own this one. So I got the all black. Woo! Oh my god. This is sexy. Woo! I have a nice grip right here. I have a flip screen, my very own first time flip screen. I got 4K in my hands. I am super happy right now. I'm super excited to use this camera for productions, for test footage, for cinematic stuff. I am super excited. So let's hope one of these batteries is charged. Oh, I need an SD card. So the SD card goes under. Okay. We got the battery and the SD card inside. Let's go with the 1442 first. Lens cap off. Okay, so we got the 1442 and the camera. Ooh. Lens cap off. Wow, wide to 14 millimeters. What time is it? It greeted me with like setup already, so I don't know what time it is right now. Here we go. You can't even see the camera right here, but this is you guys. Super dark. This is the first footage on the Panasonic G7. We're on unboxing set right now. Hey. And since I've been waiting a long time for this camera, I want to use it now. So that is the end of this unboxing of this major Panasonic haul, from the batteries to the lenses to the actual camera body. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, or if you're a Panasonic or Panasonic G7 user, hit that like button and comment down below those of you who are Canon users and are thinking of switching to a different camera system like the Panasonic. And also hit that subscribe button for more Geared For You videos, future tips and tutorials on shooting, behind the scenes shoots, and my weekly vlogs. Me and the Panasonic G7 are out.